Good afternoon, Ted.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. How are you doing?
Uh, I'm good.
Right. All right. Oh, you're eating lollipop.
Yes, my friend gave it to me.
Oh, okay, I see. That's nice. Anyway, I'm sorry we did not have a class yesterday
Oh.
because we had a typhoon.
Oh. Could you please remove the drawing file?
The drawing. Wait, I'll try to do that.
Oh. You don't
Okay.
have to do it because my mom has removed the whole pointer.
Okay. All right then. Anyway, so what are we going to study today?
Money and time.
Money and is that on the book or is that
Math.
wait for a moment. I'll just look for that. What lesson is that?
Um.
What lesson is that? Wait for a moment. I'm still looking. Math. Wait for a moment. What lesson?
Uh. I don't know. I think it's lesson. I
Lesson
think
one
it's
continuous. What page? What's the title again?
the chapter is money and time. Oh, I think
All right,
it's
chapter
page
4.
161.
Okay, 151. So weeks and months.
Yes, and the problem solving. Cleo
Okay.
is
The example.
36 months younger than Michael. If Michael is 10 years old, how old is Chloe?
Oh,
Chloe is 13 years old.
Chloe is
Chloe
13
is
years.
7 years old.
Okay. What page is that? Why do we have different pages?
Their age gap is the age gap is 3 years.
Okay, the age gap is 3 years. Oh my gosh, wait. All right. Oh, we don't have the same one. Is it months and years? All
Yes.
right. Okay. So here it is. I finally saw it. Okay, so next one.
Mike visited his dentist in July. The dentist said Mike should see him again after 4 months. When should Mike visit the dentist again? Uh,
When?
on November.
November. Are you sure? Every 4 months? Right? November?
November.
Right. Answer in complete sentence.
Mike should visit his dentist in November.
Okay, Mike should visit his dentist on November. Very good. Okay, next one.
Uh,
Aha, that's the end.
I don't have the next book.
Chapter 5 here. Chapter 5 is geometry.
Geometry.
Do you know geometry?
No.
Okay, so let's try lesson 1 for you to know more about geometry, okay?
Isn't math all about numbers and time and weeks and months, not
Not.
and centimeters and millimeters, not solid shapes and stuff like that?
It's also included. So even the solid shapes like this one, our first lesson for this chapter, is included. So it is for geometry, it is more on the relations of the points or the sides of the shapes. Okay?
Oh, okay. I remember that I learned shapes in the step 1.
Yes. See? So it's part of it.
I'm doing my math is the latest to listen that I'm doing because I'm doing social studies the fastest because in social studies I'm now on step 3 and on science I'm on step 3, but I'm not even on chapter
Yeah.
3, and on math I'm not on step 3, and in social
Yeah.
studies the test is also fastest because math and science is same, but in social studies I have finished the final test of step 3 even though I didn't
Wow.
finish the books.
Wow. That's awesome. So you like social studies the most then, since it's the fastest.
Yes.
All right. But yeah, because science and math are somehow related, but in this case, math, I hope that you're having fun studying math too.
Oh,
Are
yes.
you?
But if it on the fun of them is social studies, math, and science. So I'm planning to finish science into step 6, so I won't have to do it anymore.
Oh, okay, I see. All right then. Let's do math faster then, so you can keep up with the two of them.
Okay, in
Okay?
this lesson we will talk about solid shapes. Solid shapes have faces, edges, and vertices.
Mm-hmm.
The face is flat side of the solid shape. The edge is where the two faces meet. Uh, the
Okay,
vertex is
good.
the corner the vertex is the corner or point where edges meet.
Okay, very good. So again, face is the flat surface. So the flat surface here is this. The edge is where the two faces meet. So this is a face, this is also a face, so this is the edge, okay?
Okay.
And vertex is the point, the corner. So it's just here, this one. Wait, like
Oh,
that. This one, okay?
okay.
All right, where else? The vertex, vertex, vertex,
The vertex
vertex.
isn't a vertex though. Oh, isn't there 8 vertex in a cube and 6 faces on a cube and
How
and
many
8
faces does a
edges on
cube
a
have?
cube?
How many faces does a cube have?
6.
Okay, three, four, five, and then six. And how many vertex?
Uh, 8.
Eight. Okay, so this one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, and the other one. There, eight. Very good. And how about the edge? How many edge?
12.
12. Very good. So good math. Very good. Any question with this word? With this one?
No.
No question. Very good. You already know these things. Good job.
Uh,
So
I don't know vertex, but now I know because it's the sharp point,
very good.
the
Right.
needle
Oh.
thing like.
Yeah. So here, it's here actually. So can you read?
So different solid shapes are cube, cone, pyramid, rectangular, prism, cylinder, and sphere. What is sphere?
Sphere.
Sphere.
Yes, sphere is a shape, a kind of shape.
It's just, I know more shapes than that because there are also because when I was in New Zealand,
Mm-hmm.
I made a shape that had about something like 20 faces.
What?
And there
Ah,
is
I
also a
see, I see.
pyramid which has
Mm-hmm.
8 faces.
All right. Eight faces, pyramid.
Yes, more flat to
Okay.
run.
Yes. All right. Hmm. Okay. Well, anyway, so let's take a look at these ones first. Let's start with cube.
A cube
Oh, you already know that?
is has 6 square faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Square face, edge, vertex. A cone has 1 face, no edges, and no ver- vertices.
Yes.
Isn't vertice at ends of the cone?
Yes. But remember, vertices or the vertex is where the edges meet. Since it does not have an edge, it does not have a vertex. This one is not a vertex because this is not the edge.
Oh,
Okay?
okay.
All right. So again, no edges, no vertices. Right?
Okay.
Okay. Because
Isn't this kangaroo thingy toy here uh a solid shape too because it has faces over here and points on the ears?
all right. How many face does it have?
Uh, 4.
Four. Why four?
I mean 1, 2, 3, 4.
What are you
Because
counting?
there is one face over here,
Mm-hmm.
second, third,
At the back.
fourth.
Ah, okay. I thought that's a flat one, but since yeah, it can have like even a small one, yes. So it is considered a face, the flat
Oh,
one on the edge.
okay.
Yes,
A,
as long as it's a shape, solid shape.
okay, a pyramid has 5 faces. 4 triangular faces and 1 square face. It has 8 edges and 8 vertices. Triangular face, square face, edge, vertex. I know how
All
to
right.
draw draw a cube
You know how
like
to draw a cube?
this. First, I didn't draw the cube like this, but the
Uh-huh.
first I draw a cube like this, which looks like a cube, which doesn't look like a cube. Only a
Cube.
apartment looking from when you look it down from a plane.
Right. Right. All right. So yeah, these are so how many shapes can you draw?
Uh, One only is a cube.
Only one.
Yes.
Ah,
Oh,
okay, okay.
two because I can also draw cylinder.
Right, cylinder, that one's easy. How about triangle? A pyramid.
Uh, I draw cylinder like this.
I cannot see it. It's too. Can you put it closer?
This.
I cannot see the drawing. Are you using pencil? Oh, there you go. It's there it is.
And I think I can draw the pyramid.
The pyramid.
over here.
Yeah. So you just need to, yes, make some angles so you can draw some, right?
Yes. A
Okay.
rectangular prism has 8 rectangular faces. It has 12 edges and 8 verticals.
Yeah. It only
Why
has
does it
six
have
rectangular faces.
12? Oh, I think it's just the same verticals and edges and faces it is
Yes.
because it is same as square, only longer.
Longer, right? But, but,
But square is so shorter.
right. So square face or a cube only has six.
Oh yes.
Yes, it only has six. So why does
I
this
I
have
guess it looks
more?
like this because it says it's a face, and face have eyes.
Alright. Oh my gosh. So the edges, it has more edges.
Yes.
Oh no, actually, a rectangular prism is the same with a cube. It
Oh,
has six faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. The same with cube.
okay. So can
Right.
I go to the
Okay.
next page?
Oh sure. Wait for a moment. This one, cylinder, one you were talking about a while ago.
Is there a cylinder? Is there a cylinder but has no, but that doesn't have any squares, but doesn't have any round shape? The cylinder, but the faces uh, are triangle shaped.
A cylinder that is triangular, then
Yes.
it's not a cylinder anymore.
Oh, not cylinder, but a shape. My mom told me.
Yeah. What is it? What do
I
you
don't
mean?
know.
Okay. So maybe yeah, you're talking because in math, in mathematics, if you're talking about a cylinder, it's one you're going to use circles for cylinder.
Oh,
Okay, so it's a three-dimensional solid that is curvilinear.
okay.
Right. But when it comes to other things, yeah, maybe you can use other shapes as well.
A
Okay?
cylinder has two circular faces, no edges, and no vertices.
Why does it have a why does it have a vertex?
Because it's all round.
Very good. And it has no edge.
Yes,
It's all
circular
curved.
face. A, a sphere has no faces, no edges, and no vertices.
All right. So this one, sphere. Since a sphere is round, okay?
Uh,
Yeah. Doesn't
okay.
have a flat surface.
Oh,
No edge, no vertex. Okay?
okay.
All right. Any questions?
Uh, no.
All right. And since our time is not enough, we'll continue with 168 later. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Any question before we end?
No.
Okay, then I'll see you again later and take care, dear. Bye bye, then.
Bye.
Bye.
엄마.